Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious cheese vegetable sandwich at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, about 1 cup of mixed vegetables like bell peppers and onions, and 2 slices of cheese. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter or oil for cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Finely chop your bell peppers, onions, and any other veggies you like into small, even pieces. This helps them cook quickly and blend well. Place them in a bowl, add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and any other seasonings you prefer. Give it a good mix so all the flavors combine beautifully. It's time to assemble our sandwich. Take your 2 slices of bread and spread a thin layer of butter on one side of each. Place 1 slice, butter side down, on your work surface. Now, evenly spread half of your delicious vegetable mixture over the bread. Top that with 1 slice of cheese, then add the second bread slice, butter side up. Almost there, heat a pan or griddle over medium heat and add a small amount of butter. Carefully place your assembled sandwich onto the hot pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is wonderfully melted and gooey. Remove it, slice diagonally, and serve your warm, cheesy vegetable sandwich immediately. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.